Hey everyone, it's Anne. Welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. Who wants some great tasting crunchy corn chips that is low carb and keto friendly? Hit that like button if you do, because I'm going to show you how to make them. In this recipe, we're going to be using baby corn. It's not the same as regular corn, so listen up and let me explain. There's many debates about regular corn and how it should be classified. Is it a vegetable, a grain, or a fruit? It is actually classified as a fruit like tomatoes, green peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, and squashes. Although regular corn falls under the grain category, it also fits into the definition of a vegetable and a fruit. Baby corn is even more confusing since it has a similar flavor profile to mature corn, but have not developed high starch or sugar levels. In Asian cooking, baby corn is used like a vegetable for stir fry. Check out my crispy seafood noodle video for inspiration. According to Jim Myers, a professor of vegetable breeding and genetics at Oregon State University, baby corn comes from regular corn, and it is harvested by hand at an early stage before it's fully developed. Harvesting baby corn is done before sugar starts to accumulate and when the stalks are still small and at a premature stage. According to Jim Myers, sugars do not start accumulating until well after pollination, and that there's no sugar that's been deposited in the kernels yet. While corn is considered a starchy vegetable because of its carb content, the nutritional values of baby corn is closer to a non-starchy vegetable. Weigh out 260 grams of fresh baby corn. This recipe makes 2 servings but can easily be doubled or tripled for a large batch and kept for later use. Wash and rinse the baby corn in cold water, then drain and set aside. Using a blender, add in the baby corns to a container. Followed by egg white powder. You might be able to sub with unflavored whey protein powder. Add in the flaxseed meal, xanthan gum, baking powder, and the sea salt. Secure the lid and pulse a few times. Blend on low speed to chop the baby corn and to mix the ingredients together. Stop the blender to scrape the mixture off the sides. Continue blending until the mixture becomes a paste. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and manually mix with a spatula to look for any baby corn chunks. Transfer the mixture again onto a dehydrated tray lined with parchment paper. If you do not have a dehydrator, line a baking tray with parchment paper and use your oven to dehydrate. Spread the mixture thinly. Try not to make it too thick. The thinner it is, the crispier it will be. A 1/4 inch or less for thickness is ideal. Put the tray in the dehydrator and dehydrate for 8 to 10 hours at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. An hour and a half later into dehydrating, take it out of the dehydrator to score lines before the mixture dries up and hardens. Score lines with a pizza cutter or a knife. Put it back into the dehydrator and continue to dehydrate at 115 degrees Fahrenheit until it's fully dry at around 8 to 10 hours mark. Break up the chips by hand at the scored lines. The total weight after dehydration is 70 grams. 1 serving is 35 grams. You can eat the corn chips as is, or you can quickly shallow fry them. To shallow fry, add some avocado oil to a saucepan and do not shallow fry past 355 degrees Fahrenheit. If you would like lighter colored chips, shallow fry at 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the chips onto a lined plate with paper towels to absorb the oil after frying. You can use these corn chips however you like, or eat as is. It does stay crispy and oh so delicious. If you have a 9-tray dehydrator like mine, you can make a big batch and then fry it when needed. If you do not have a dehydrator, use your oven and set it at the lowest setting with the door slightly open for 6 to 8 hours. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more innovative keto recipes. If you would like to support me on Patreon, I will link it down below. See you in the next video.